This Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet 1100-watt stainless steel microwave is the ideal size for apartment kitchens or office break rooms. Sensor reheating lets you optimally cook 6 of the most popular food items with the touch of a button. Choose from 10 power levels up to 1100 watts. The large digital display has a clock function and can also display a countdown timer as well as the cooking time remaining. Program up to 3 favorite time and power combinations for additional one-touch convenience. Easily open or close the microwave with the large, easy-to-grip door handle.